Hello guys, welcome back to my space. Let's make banga soup. I started off by washing and cooking my palm fruits. Then into a separate pot I add my protein of choice, which is goat meat. Add some salt, seasoning cube and onion, and leave for 5 minutes for it to steam. So after 5 minutes of steaming, I add some water for it to cook and become tender. I have pounded my palm fruit off camera and extract the juice. So I will allow it to boil for like 7 minutes before I started adding things. That is my periwinkle. I added periwinkle. Then I went in with the goat meat. Add crayfish and pepper pounded. Stir to combine. If you're using yak, that is the Indian fruit or brekese, this is the right time for you to add it, but in this recipe I will not be adding it. So I add my dry catfish, the mackerel fish, add some salt, seasoning cube, and allow it to cook for 10 minutes. I want to use this medium to appreciate my fans, my top fans, my commenters, people that like my videos, people that share it. In fact, all my amazing people that watch my videos. I want to say a very big thank you to you. I do appreciate. After 10 minutes of cooking, our soup is almost ready. So I went in with our Atama leaf. After adding the Atama leaf, just allow it to cook for 7 to 8 minutes and our soup is ready. If you like what I'm doing here, please give this video a thumbs up, like, follow the page and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video and have a blessed weekend.